Hello dear students, here our question is given. Pressure of 1 gram of an ideal gas A at 27 degrees Celsius is found to be 2 bar. When 2 gram of an ideal gas B is introduced in the same flask at the same temperature, the pressure becomes 3 bar. Find a relationship between their molecular masses. So we have to find the relationship between their molecular masses, right? There are the two gases according to the question given. Two gas, ideal gas A and ideal gas B. Mass of gas A WA is equal to 1 gram and mass of gas B WB is equal to 2 gram. Both gases mixed to each other in the same container, means here the temperature T is constant, same temperature, and volume V is also constant because the container is the same. Now pressure of the gas A PA is equal to 2 bar and pressure of gas B is not given directly. According to the question, P total given. P total means when the gas A mixed with the gas B, then what will be the pressure? That is the 3 bar. As we know that according to the Dalton's law of partial pressure, P total is equal to sum of the partial pressures of the all gases. So we can write P total is equal to PA plus PB is equal to 3 bar. So we will calculate here PB is equal to P total minus PA. Then we will get PB is equal to 3 minus 3 bar minus 2 bar. Then PB will come here 1 bar. Now according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. But in the question it is asking that molecular mass. So let us convert first this equation into molecule term of the molecular mass. So we will get this equation such as PV is equal to W by M, given mass upon molar mass, into RT. So for relation we have to find out in terms of the M. So we can write this equation in terms of the M. We will get that M is equal to W by PV into RT. For ideal gas A, we can write this equation in such way: MA is equal to WA upon PA into V into RT, and MB is equal to WB upon PB into V into RT. Now divide the both equation. So RT will cancel, V will cancel. Here we will get this equation in terms of the MA and MB. MA by MB is equal to WA, and this PB will go up. So into PB divided by WB into PA. So we got this equation. With this equation we will find out the relation between MA and MB, means molar mass of A and molar mass of B. Let us put the respective values. So MA by MB is equal to WA is given here 1 gram into PB is 1 bar, and that is divided by WB is the 2 gram and PA is the 2 bar. So now bar cancel. So now here we will get Ma upon Mb is equal to 1 upon 4. So 4 Ma is equal to Mb. So this is the relation. Ma is to Mb is equal to 4 is to 1. Thank you.